Hiya, I want to talk about a new feature within Instagram which is extremely powerful. Now, just to give you a background, 99% of probably every businesses, including real estate, they give a call to action like either visit my website for more information or give me a call and let's talk. But because there has been no other better alternative, it was working. Until now. Last month, Instagram introduced a very powerful method to capture leads from within Insta's DM itself without ever having to leave the app for your potential prospects, and so much easier for you as agents. So whether it's your buyers who are looking to buy a new property or book virtual tours with you, or whether there are leads looking for more information on the open houses that you have or the number of open houses that you have lined up. You can even run engagement quizzes like pre-approval quiz or credit quiz. You're trying to build in some engagement from your followers, or you're trying to look for new sellers, trying to give them free property valuation, etc. The options are really unimaginable, I'll be honest with you. There are just so many things you can do. So we jumped into this opportunity and have built an awesome system for real estate that will start conversations for you with your potential prospects who are interested at scale right within Insta DMs. Now with this, there are a number of benefits, but most importantly, what you're doing is you're building that relationships and you're starting that meaningful personalized conversations with your leads. You can start capturing 10 times more leads than you currently are. You can also provide property information right within Insta without them having to leave the application, making it extremely simple, and you're providing information at the point of their highest intent. So if they're a hot buyer, you actually have a really qualified lead. You're also trying to build a brand reputation by giving an awesome customer service, but most importantly, you're talking to only those qualified hot leads, therefore saving you and your team immense amount of your time. So the next question is, how do you get people to start conversations in your Insta DMs? Well, you simply use your current existing posting methods. If you're using stories, reels, normal square posts, or videos, or whatever format really you're comfortable with. Let's say, for example, you have posted a video showing the property details and you're asking people, please call us or visit our website to book a virtual tour. Well, quite honestly, all you need to do is ask them to type in tour as a comment within that post. As soon as they type tour, an automatic message will be sent over in their personal DM and a conversation will start with the lead. You can book appointments with that conversations. You can qualify those leads with those conversations. The options are limitless. If you would like to learn more about how this works, please DM me the word demo and I'll be more than happy to show you how the system works, the background work that we do. We can discuss your requirements and we'll see whether we can help you strengthen your current marketing efforts and build a mega personalized system for your incoming leads.